How to add a pop-up text in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a pop-up text to your Wix website. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the site's dashboard. So we are going to click and select as you can see here, the website that we want to apply this method to. Click on it and wait for the dashboard to show up. Now we're going basically here to attend the website editor by clicking on edit site within the setup or the home page. Click on it and you're going to find your website just like that. So this is the website editor. Now what we're going to do basically is going to be very simple. We're going to create a section or an empty section, so we are going to add the text to. For example, I'm going to have this section which is going to be contained into a blog. I'm going to delete that blog. Here we have an empty section. I can also delete that complete section and add an empty one. Click on add section just like that in between two sections. So we're going to have here the things or the empty section. We're going to add some elements. We're going to add from here some interactive elements. So as you can see, we have the interactive, we have the box slideshow, light boxes, and etc. The most important part in here is going to have a light box. So we are going to have a light box which is going to be right there. I'm going to have it just like that, and I'm going to set the settings on it. So basically, automatically display the light box, I'm going to click on no. And then I'm going to let the X button or the close button. That was the first thing. Now the second thing is going to be, for example, the layout. You can go ahead and set up the layout of the light box and also the design of it. So as you can see, here I have a specific, let's say here, background color. So I can go ahead and have this specific layout as the light box. So right there, I think that we can go ahead and manage on the link of the light box or the layout. So we can go ahead and have also the color of the light box changed or the background of it. So aside from that, I'm going to have here as you can see, this is a color. Now I'm going to click on the overlay background. So we are going to have it transparent. So we're going to have it just transparent. So let's see if we have the transparency. Click on settings, boom, and here we have it. This is going to be something like that. Now we're going to exit the lightbox mode. We have set it up and it is going to be okay. So normally it is going to be integrated within a section. So we are going to add a button, and this button is going to be our key to this, let's say here, the pop-up text. So I'm going to have the button clicked on the specific link. I'm going to link this button and we are going to select Lightbox. So we have the announcement, click on done, and boom. Now I'm going to click on save, click on preview, and you're going to see. I haven't modified the Lightbox yet because I have set it up as a standard, so we are not going to waste our time, and this is going to be the key. So click on the button and here we have the pop-up text. You can go ahead and modify the lightbox how much or however you want. So I'm going to be back to the editor. Right there we can go ahead and have our lightbox and edit it as much as we want. So we can go ahead and bring it out and have it just right there. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.